Pictures of you, pictures of me, hung upon your wall for the world to see. Pictures of you, pictures of me, remind us all of what we could have been. Pictures of you, pictures of me, hung upon your...
Relive every moment true to life with True Capture technology, only from Canon.
Senior representatives from the China National Tourism Administration who've been meeting with us, and it's been a great beginning. It's now my pleasure to invite Rob Jason, the CEO of Tourism Tropical North Queensland, who provided fantastic support to us in the lead up to this summit, and to commence the proceedings today. He's going to give us a first introductory welcome speech to the summit. Rob, over to you. Thanks.
Thank you, Anne. Welcome to Cairns and to the Great Barrier Reef region. We are certainly honoured, and I welcome all our dignitaries from both within Australia, our ministers, of course our guests from China, and my colleagues from around the country, various STOs and MTOs, and interested parties. Thank you very much to the Department for choosing Cairns as the venue for this very important dialogue and summit between China and Australia. And we are doubly proud with the fact that, of course, the China market has been growing very, very handsomely for us over the last few years. And I think today the Minister has announced another 66% growth in our visitation from China over the last 12 months to the end of March. Obviously, for a regional centre such as Cairns, it does, in fact, give us a great deal of pride to be able not only to host so many international visitors to our destination, but also making sure that they leave very satisfied. So hopefully your stay with us will be just as with our visitors, one of enjoyment and excitement. Hope you have some time to experience some of the, of course, the many experiences that we have on the reef or our rainforest. But also, of course, business tourism is very important, and of course our facilities in that arena are second to none. So it is with a great deal of pride, on behalf of my chairman Bill Cornwood and the team at Tourism Tropical North Queensland, we welcome you. We encourage you to stay and enjoy what we have to offer. And again, we thank you for choosing our venue here in Cairns as the venue for the summit, a very important process of the dialogue between our two countries, and of course the opportunities that lie in cultural exchange through tourism. Thank you very much again, and enjoy your stay.